So we are here on 73 on Lake Norman, testing out the Old Town powered and the pedal drive. So yeah, as you can see, it's the same size, but one's motor power and one is pedal drive. But yeah, should be fun. So we just launched. Are you guys ready? Motor power, baby. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Just caught a fish. Woo! First one. Let's go. Got this baby up. Let's go. Oh man, I just dropped it. It's going crazy. Bye-bye, fishy. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. You get one? Oh yeah. Good old town kayak fishing, Lake Norman. Toss this wacky worm, see if we can hit another one. Oh yeah. There's my brother over there fishing in his. He got the pedal drive. But yeah, we're just going down the stream right here. Just letting it pull us. But let's go. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It has a front facing rod holder right here. How I caught the other one was what I just left it in there and just trolled for about 5 minutes, and then something bit it. Let's go, Joe. Pedal. That thing smooth.
It goes fast for one revolution. It goes pretty fast.
Oh yeah.
It's not fast too.
Then you get reverse. Just hanging out. Waiting on a bite. Yeah, the water did stop. Oh shit, my brother got something. Let's go check it out. This is, I wonder what it is.
I just let it sit on the bottom. It's only 10 pounds, man.
I got it in reverse mode. I don't want to get too close. But I want to get close enough to see what kind it is.
I think it's catfish.
Oh, it's it?
I don't know. That's how catfish fight.
You say he's running a 10-pound braid with a leader. Oh, let me scoot back.
I
think it's a catfish.
Oh, damn, that's a big bass.
Oh, fuck. Holy shit. That's what I'm talking about. Get it. Oh, damn. Was that close to the shore or in the middle?
Damn.
He was in the middle. Damn, that's just fucking huge.
Take a picture.
Yeah, hold on, let me get it. Yeah, so we're gonna see how big it is. I'll measure it on his paddle. Oh.
Can't really measure. I would put it on my.
So it's about 15, 16,
Yeah, 16.
17.
17, yeah.
17 inches.
Woo.
Dang.
Big boy.
His first one on this new kayak too. So we're 1-1 right now, but he got a bigger one. Yeah. So I am currently standing up on this Old Town 106 powered kayak. And it's doing pretty good. Shaking it. Shaking it. So we're trolling right now. Trolling like a troll. But we're gonna head up to the dam, or at least closer to the dams where the bigger fishes are. But yeah, that last fish my brother caught, man, shit was huge. 17 inches. I think he said it was his first bass largemouth here at Lake Norman. So I mean, it's a good day though. First time taking all our new kayaks out, caught a fish each, so nothing to complain about. But yeah, here's the full speed mode. Ready? This is how fast it moves with full speed. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's awesome. About to hit full speed. Let's go. That's what it looks like full speed. We're about to race to the dam. You ready?
Yeah, good.
Set, go. Come on, powered motor, don't disappoint me. Oh, let's go, Joe. We got 5 minutes. Hope you can keep the same speed. Oh yeah, look at that water though. That was pretty sweet how the water's moving. That's it. That's my fastest right there. So we're about to load up the kayaks now. But wow, what a great day. I caught one, my brother caught one. We actually came here to try out the kayaks, and we really wasn't intending or planning on fishing, but it was like, what the heck, we're on the water, so might as well try it. So we did. But yeah, it was good times. Now we got to put it in the truck. The fun part. Until next time, peace.